Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat and Smokey the Bird. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new kitting up video. We're going to be kitting up this pretty wolf diamond painting. This is a smaller diamond painting. It's only 30 by 30 centimeters. I don't remember where I bought it. It's a partial drill of a wolf and it looks really pretty, and they're special drills. So let me show you the drills before we get started. So look at these colors, aren't they pretty? These are so beautiful. I really like doing sparkly diamond paintings like this. And look, stars, and I don't know what that shape is. I forget. I always forget what that shape is called. So yeah, so there's two special shapes, and then they're all rhinestone drills. So that's really awesome. So I'm just going to move you down so you can see what I'm doing. And grab yourself a nice hot beverage or a cold beverage, whatever your choice is, and your favorite craft, and join me. Okay guys, so I have it already here. I've got my nice big mug of tea. This is my lemon ginger tea by Twinnings. It's very good. I've got some honey in here because I have a sore throat and I'm not feeling very good today. So I'm going to have to stop for a lot of tea breaks. I am not feeling good at all. So I apologize. So I am still out at camp. I was going to planning on going home on Saturday. As I'm recording, today is Wednesday. And today is week 6 that I've been out here, my 6th week. So I've been here for 6 weeks already. Me and Smokey out at our camp on Lake Superior. I've had a really great time, except for the last 3 days I've been sick. And at first I thought it was just allergies. Then I thought, well, maybe I caught a cold or the flu or something. And then it moved into my chest, and now my asthma has been activated, and I'm having trouble breathing. I've got cough, and my chest really hurts. It feels really tight and hot and painful. I'm prone to bronchitis, and to me, that's what it feels like I have. I've had it so often in my life that I can recognize it. So Smokey is playing with her musical toy in the background. I apologize for that, but it keeps her busy. She likes pushing the buttons. And the other thing that she has discovered is she could put her claw simultaneously on several of the buttons and hit them all together, and it plays a weird, horrible sound that doesn't sound like a song. So, yeah. So she gets her claws and her beak going all at once. It's pretty funny. So with her claws, she's playing like there's a bunch of dots, like buttons that will play like a song or a tune or an animal sound. And then there's the piano keys. So sometimes she uses her feet on the dots and her beak on the piano keys. And it's like she's playing chords and notes. It's so funny. That's a really pretty color. I'm having trouble getting them all out. So hang on. I really love this color. It's so pretty. So yeah, I think this diamond painting is going to be beautiful when it's done, even though it's just a partial drill. I don't think I'll have time to do any more than just a partial drill, because my dad is coming out here tomorrow for a ride. He's going to come and get the garbage with his truck. He has a big a truck like where stuff can go in the back of the truck type of thing. I don't know what that's called. It's a Dodge Ram is what it is. Anyway, that is good because I just have a very small car. I have a Nissan, and it's tiny. And I don't have the room in my car to bring home 6 weeks worth of garbage bags to the dump. So my dad's going to do a run to the dump for me tomorrow. And I was thinking of actually getting ready and going home tomorrow, because then he could help me load up my car, because I can't at all carry anything right now. Carrying anything, even like a laundry basket right now, it gives me an asthma attack. So yeah, So I might have to stay a little bit longer than I wanted to, just because I won't be able to leave unless someone helps me leave. And there's no way I'd be able to lift my cooler and like my heavier bags. I did it on the way here, but even then my dad helped me out. But I did most of the lifting of the bags. I love that purple color. So there's only 10 colors, and we're already halfway through. This is going to be number 5. So this won't take long, you guys. This will be a shorter video, which is good because my voice is lower than it usually is. Maybe you like that, though. My voice is usually pretty darn high. Okay, I couldn't get those diamond paintings out from the lot. Well, look, see, there's still one there. Oh, well, it's going to stay there. I'll know it's not the green one. So you can see how shaky my hands are. I don't know if you could tell. They're much shakier than usual. And that is because I've had to take my rescue inhaler, my Ventolin, quite a bit. And I've also had to add an extra allergy pill. And I had to add extra puffs of 2 other puffers that I have that are supposed to stop me from needing the emergency one. And the only thing I have extra that I would take would be antibiotics, but I don't think I need antibiotics or prednisone. And I always have an emergency prescription of prednisone at home, and then another one that I could fill usually. So next year when I come to camp, I must remember to bring my prednisone out. I was pretty sure, like, I didn't think I would get sick because I'm not around anyone out here. So all I could think is I must have caught something when I went to the store to get supplies, because that's the only time I'm really around people. Like recently, I saw my neighbors earlier, but that was quite a while ago. I would have got sick by then. I started feeling sick the last time I went swimming. I was out in the lake and I started shivering. And yeah, it is Lake Superior. And Lake Superior is cold, but we were having a heat wave and the water was warm. So I don't think that was it. And then when I got out of the water, I had a shower and I changed and everything. And I just couldn't get warm. I had to put my heating pad on, even though it was 30 degrees outside. It was cooler in the camp. I had to turn the air conditioning off, though, because I felt so cold. So that's how it started, with me just feeling really cold. But it could just be coincidence that I was just really cold from the lake, even though every other time I went swimming, I didn't get that way. And maybe I got exposed to the virus once when I was shopping, and it took a few days for it to settle in. I don't know. But yeah, it kind of sucks because Smokey's, she's throwing her toy around. It sucks because the weather the last couple days would have been perfect for kayaking. But I can't kayak when I'm like this. I did get 1 extra day of kayaking in before I got sick. And I took videos. So hopefully those videos have already gone out before you see this one. Because I'm going to try to do things in order, but it's going to kind of be hard. Because I can't even edit my videos while I'm at camp. I have to edit everything once I go in town. Because I have Wondershare Filmora for editing. And they recently changed so that you have to have access to the internet to use it. And I don't have access to the internet out here, so I can't even make all my videos. Normally, I edit my videos as I go. And then when I go home to the Sioux, after spending the summer at camp, I just upload them. And, you know, they're already made. But now I have to actually edit them and upload them once I go home. I wish Filmora would provide a copy of their old service where you didn't need access to the internet. But they they added AI to everything. I guess you need the internet for that. Like, you used to be able to just download all the stuff you needed, and it would be in the program. And now it's not like that. I see some orange here, but I think that was from an older one that I did. So that is it, you guys. We are all kitted up and good to go. So let's bring you up for the outro. You can see Smokey too. So you can see can you see my view outside? There's my picture window. And I've got the lake right there down the hill. Can you see it? There's the lake. So I've got a beautiful view. So even though I'm sick, I'm enjoying a really nice view. And Smokey's being a DJ of like that kind of modern music. No, excuse me. I just had a coughing fit. I need some tea. Smokey, do you want to say bye? You want to say bye? I don't know if she's going to say anything. You want to say anything at all, Smokey? I gotta go move her toy so she doesn't poop on it. Anyway, that is it for this kidding up. Oh, she said something. I don't know if she said hi or bye. What did you say, Smokey? Okay, I guess she's not going to talk. Alright guys, I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great day. Bye.